TLBS offer integral and technological solutions for specialized engineering, consulting, biosecurity, sanitation, mitigation and restoration services for all types of assets and facilities. We have 4 levels of depth and surface hygiene: conventional cleaning, sanitation, disinfection and sterilization. Level 1. Conventional cleaning. Removal of germs, dirt and impurities. It includes surface cleaning of carpets, removal of soil and allergens with the vacuum method. Level 2. Sanitation. This type of cleaning reduces the level of biological agents on an object or surface to a safe level. We use bioluminescence technology to ensure the most appropriate sanitation method. It includes surface cleaning of carpets, removal of soil and allergens with the vacuum method. Level 3. Certified disinfection. Inactive and destroys microorganisms on surfaces and facilities. Provides a 99.999% reduction level of disease-causing germs using powerful EPA-approved chemicals. Level 4. Certified sterilization. This process will destroy all forms of microbial life applying the sterilization method that includes physical, chemical and radioactive processes with ultraviolet C rays, UVC, that provide a fast and efficient inactivation of microorganisms, bacteria and viruses. We handle projects under the best practices and convergent technologies for all types of facilities. We are TLBS, we are your company.